White sneakers all look the same. Why not make yours one of a kind? This is the UV3245 sneaker printer, designed specifically for footwear. From simple white sneakers to trendy high tops, everything is handled with ease. Equipped with Ricoh G6 printhead, high precision durability, and superior image quality, supports 0 to 150 mm printing height, with a maximum printing height of 150 mm. It easily accommodates various shoe types and uneven surfaces. Precision sneaker printing, designed for curved surfaces, like shoe uppers and tongues, ensuring sharp details and premium results. User-friendly operation, an easy-to-use interface with smooth, effortless controls. Versatile application, whether for brands, artists, or small batch production. It makes customization simple. Let your sneakers become walking works of art. Sublistar UV3245 sneaker printer. Customize sneakers. Endless possibilities.